Hi everyone, my name is Shilpa and I am from Haryana. By this video, I want to share my feedback regarding Shakti Pal Goda ma'am Emotion Detox Workshop. This program enhanced my self-love. I feel now more confident, more energetic and more happy. And my self-worth now increased. Now I am able to shed my negative emotions like my anger, my fears, uh, and earlier I lived in regret for a long time, unnecessary, but now there is no regret. And I must say that this course is a very important investment in ourselves, and we must make this investment for ourselves. I recommend this course to anyone who wants to increase their self love, who wants to experience happiness, joy within them, and the person who wants to create a life of their dreams. So, this course is very beneficial for me. Thank you, Payal ma'am, for your support and guidance. Thank you.